Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the TikTok comments not showing on your TikTok videos. So if you find that your comments on videos keep disappearing or you have less comments than before, maybe you need to change the settings on your TikTok because TikTok has upgraded their terms and privacy. Here's how you can fix it. So open your TikTok and then just head to your profile. Click on profile at the bottom and then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Then go to the settings and privacy. Then in here, click on this privacy. Then just scroll down until you find this interactions section. Then tap on commands. Okay, so as you guys can see here at the top, these settings, the allow commands from is now no one. So I cannot accept comments on my videos from anyone, even if it's my friend. So what you need to do is just change the settings. So this is who can comment on your videos and stories. So you need to change it between everyone or friends. But if you're just to open to everyone, you can just click on everyone, and in here my post will allow comments and 6 posts don't allow comments due to your post privacy settings. So it depends on your post settings also, and after that you can just close it. And here you can also turn off the filter comments, so you need to turn this off, because if it's on, then TikTok will filter the comments, so recent comments on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them. So you can just turn this off, and you can also turn these filter off. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.